Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, it is all about for your active manhood, for you to get an active manhood as a man, or how to make your manhood to last longer as a man. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will know the ingredients you need to make your manhood active. But before I proceed, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers, people that support my channel. May God bless you and bless you forever. Thank you for being part of this channel once again. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider now to subscribe because you are on the right channel. Hit the like button and turn on the notification bell so that you will always get notified anytime I publish videos on men's secrets or natural ways to keep men. So, how are you going to make your manhood active? Or how are you going to make your manhood to last longer as a man? All you need is one ingredient, just one. But this one ingredient is very powerful. I will never stop recommending this ingredient to men. Any man that want to last longer in bed, any man that want to be active, all you need is this ingredient, just one. So the name of that ingredient is bitter cola once again. But this time around, it is not only one. If you want to get immediate results or quick results, effective results, maximum results as a man, all you need is 2 of this bitter cola. Just 2. Once you get 2, how are you going to prepare this or how are you going to take it? All you have to do is to take 2, scrape it and chew the 2 of them at the same time. Maybe after your meal, that is your dinner, chew the 2 and drink 1 full cup of water. Drink 1 full cup of water and wait for 30 minutes. Scrape this once again. 2 like this. Chew the 2 and drink 1 full cup of water and wait for about 30 good minutes. Then after that, go for your job as a man. You must come back and say, Ken, thank you for this recommendation and thank you for this solution. This works wonders. Only bitter cola, it works wonders. The bitterness can suppress some things that will make you not to last longer as a man. The bitterness will increase your power as a man, and it will also kill some germs in your body system. That is why you need to adopt natural remedies or natural solution for you to be the best you want as a man. So these are the 2 things you need. Once you get these 2, chew it, drink 1 full cup of water after your dinner. Then after you might have finished drinking 1 full cup of water, just wait for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, go and do your job. You will never disappoint. You will be the best you wish you want to be. And you must come and say thanks to this recipe. So this is what I want to share in today's video for your active manhood, or how you will last longer as a man. So I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you get value from this video. If you do, consider to support this channel by subscribing. Hit the like button and turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss out any of my upcoming videos. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to put it in the comment section below. I promise to reply all your comments, your questions as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share this video to those you think that might need this solution or these natural ways for active manhood. Thank you once again. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. I wish you good luck and I am expecting your testimony. See you in my next video. Bye.